Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to be comparing two methods in which I typically use in coiling my wigs. And the first one is with the hot coiling wand, and the second one is going to be the heatless coils. I started out by applying my styling mousse, my heat protectant spray, my hair serum, and then I coiled the hair with my coiling wand. I coiled the hair completely from the back of the hair to the front of the hair. I coiled the entire wig, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after I coiled it with the coiling wand, and we'll proceed next to coiling it without heat. Please like this video, it helps my channel a lot. So this is what the wig looks like after I coiled it using a hot coiling wand, and of course the tip of the hair looks a bit weak. I'm going to take it off from the pack which I packed the hair in, because I felt like it wasn't satisfactory to give my client a wig that the ends were not well coiled, and this is what you sometimes get when you coil your hair with a hot coiling wand. So right now I'm going to start to comb out all the coils using my hairbrush. If I wanted the coils to look like it was a body weave, I'm going to use a comb, a wide tooth comb, but because I'm trying to lose the coils, I use my hairbrush to comb through it. And now I'm wetting the tips of the hair. I'm just dipping the hair into water and just sprinkling water all over the hair to completely drench the hair. After I get the hair wet, next I'm going to use my hairbrush to brush through the hair. And the next thing I'm going to do after brushing through the hair is to start cutting the hair in smaller sections to enable me start the process of coiling the hair. So I've clipped away the upper part of the hair. Next, I'm just trying to put some more water on the lower part of the hair, and I'm applying my styling mousse, which is the Vitally styling mousse. I have a detailed tutorial on various styling mousse I recommend on my channel. Just search with my name, Linda Izemidolu, and styling mousse. It will come up on your YouTube search. So after I applied styling mousse on the hair, I'm using my setting rollers. These rollers, you can find it in any beauty supply store. You can even buy it on Amazon, or you can buy it on AliExpress. I have an Amazon store link in my description box. If you want to buy products that I recommend for styling your wigs, check out my Amazon store to purchase beauty products that I love to use and other products that I use for my skincare, my beauty regimen, fitness, and all of that. So don't forget, drench your hair completely wet in water, brush through it, apply your styling mousse, and start using your setting rollers to roll the hair. When you want to buy your setting rollers, I recommend that you buy the one that has the clip, so you don't have to use a rubber band. I've had the setting rollers for some time now, and I don't want to abandon it. That's probably the reason why I still use it, because I'm an economist. I don't want to waste. But I recommend you buy the one that has the clip, so you don't have to go through the process or the stress of having to coil through the hair. So guys, please, if you're getting value from my videos, always remember to thumbs up my videos, thumbs it up. Share it with somebody who you know is going to help them out, because I'm giving you value. Or if I'm not giving you value, anyway, whatever it is, just still like my videos here, please. It helps boost your engagement. It helps my channel to grow, because whenever I look at most of my videos, I also notice that it's less than 1% of the people who watch the videos that actually like it. So I don't know if you guys are trying to tell me you don't like my content and I stop producing content, or what. Just let me know. Like, if you want me to keep on producing content, like, let us increase the engagement on the videos. Please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts on if you like the video, if you found it helpful, and also subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. If you feel like it's only liking and subscribing you can do just that. If you feel like you want to like, you want to subscribe, and you also want to share with somebody who is going to be helpful to, please also do that. And if you feel like you want to support me more, you can go to my website and purchase products and services, whatever it is you want that I have available, probably like my ebooks or my wigs, or vendors. If you're somebody who is trying to start your hair business and you need vendors to start your hair business with, just check out my website. I'm going to put a link in the description box. So you can see right now I have coiled most of the wig, and it's still the same process. It's just a repetitive process. I started from the bottom part and I took it all the way to the up part. Of course, the hair is wet. I apply the styling mousse, I cut a small section, I comb through it, and I roll the hair with the setting rollers. I put the setting rollers on top and I roll the hair all around the setting rollers till I get to the up part, and I use my rubber band to tie it around. And I try to do it in a very neat way so that when I start taking off the rubber band, it's still neat. It doesn't, the hair is not bulky or sloppy in any way. That's the reason why I try to ensure I comb through it very neatly and the hair is smooth. So take your time and ensure that you do this very well so that the final result is going to be very nice. So keep rolling the hair up on your setting rollers and use your rubber band and tie it up to secure it. Don't forget, if you're getting value from this video so far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section if you want to see more comparison tutorials on my channel on the best methods for getting, like, styling your wigs or cutting your layers or just other tutorials. Just let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for supporting me since all these years. Thank you so much for just being there with me. I know my videos are not perfect, just like as I am as a human. I'm also not a perfect person. Just thank you so much for supporting me despite my imperfect videos. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you, and I hope and pray that God also supports you in whatever it is that you do, the works of your hand, your career, whatever it is you do. I just pray that you get support from people as well. So guys, you can see I finished coiling the entire wig right now. I'm going to set it out to dry for about 3 days. Then I'll proceed to taking off the setting rollers. So you would notice that after I take off the rubber band from the setting rollers, I try to roll the hair in a direction I want it to go. And for the hair on the left side, I want the coils to go in the right direction, and for the hair on the left side, I want the coils to go in the right direction. So it's more like the coils are facing each other, and I'm going to keep on doing the same thing from the lower part of the wig until I get towards the upper part of the wig, and I've completely taken off the entire setting rollers from the hair. So take off the rollers, and if the coils, the particular hair you worked with is on the right side, you coil the hair leftwards. Like you just twist the hair after you take off the setting rollers in the leftwards, like in the left direction, and you repeat it the same thing on the other side. If the hair is on the right side, you put the direction of the coils to go on the left side, so they sort of meet each other in the middle. This is how I do it. If you have another way of doing yours, please keep on doing yours. That will prefer your own method, but this is how I do mine. So I've taken off the coils from almost all the parts of the wig, and I'm trying to take off the coils on all parts right here. You can see this one right here is already going in the leftward direction, so I don't need to do any twisting it backward because it's already going backward because of how I coiled the hair and how I took off the setting rollers too. So this is the finished look. What I'm going to do now is to start styling the closure area, and I'm going to apply my hair wax to the hair on the closure area and use my hot coiling wand to straighten the hair on the closure area. So I comb through the hair and I use my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. I'm going to repeat it on all the sides of the closure to ensure that the hair there is smooth and it lays very well. Don't forget, if you're getting value from this video so far, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Thumbs up this video. Share with your friend who's also going to get value out of it. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Now this is the final look, and obviously the one with the setting rollers, the coils look better and more bouncier than the one with the coiling wand. If you got value from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next video. So if you want long-lasting coils, try using your setting rollers. Bye guys.